Hello Mapheads! Today, let's reconnect over a new chapter in Tutorial 8 of #KnowYourMaplytics and explore territory management in Maplytics. This feature organizes sales regions by defining clear boundaries, balancing workloads, and improving coverage to streamline operations, planning, and boost customer engagement. Let's learn how to create territories in Maplytics. You can create territories on your map using multiple options that are available in Maplytics. The By Region option allows you to plot regions using postal codes on the map. Using the By Drawing option, shapes can be drawn on the map to be converted to territories. The multi-selection tool helps in selecting all the drawn shapes efficiently. Clicking on the Create Territory option allows you to add this territory to an existing one or create a new one. You can enter the territory name, parent territory for hierarchy, and assign a manager. Once all the details have been added, you can save the territory as a draft for further analysis and edits, or simply create the territory. A prompt appears asking if records should be assigned immediately. By clicking Yes, you can auto-assign the records to the new territory. After By Region and By Drawing, let's create multiple territories using the By File option. You can import the supported shapefile along with the records on the map and select multiple areas with the multi-select tool. Right-click and select Create Territory. Now, enter the number of territories to be created. Select the alignment criteria for creating multiple territories and click Proceed to distribute records evenly among the created territories. Thus, we learn how to create balanced territories using multiple options. Now go, play with your sales territories, and write to us at crm@anagic.com in case of queries. Also, check out our website, social channels, and technical docs for other details, and we shall meet you soon.